Well, there's another update that is now coming in from Maharashtra. Let's put that out for our viewers, where nearly 2 crore rupees in cash that has now been seized from a hotel in Nashik on the 18th of November ahead of voting in the state of Maharashtra. This is a development that is now coming to light. Let's get you what the DM has to say.
कितना अमाउंट मिला है? आपकी तरफ से क्या कार्रवाई चल रही है आगे?
अभी तक हमें जो जानकारी मिली है वहाँ पर 1 करोड़ 98 लाख इतने पैसे बरामद हुए हैं। एक्सपेंडिचर ऑब्जर्वर और जो एफएसटी की टीम है वो उसके ऊपर आगे कार्रवाई कर रही है।
सर, क्या किसके ऊपर कार्रवाई होने वाली है आगे आने वाले वक्त में? किसके पैसे क्या है, उसकी जानकारी मिल पाएगी क्या?
मतदान के समय पर ये इलेक्शन के टाइम कोई भी अगर ऐसा पैसा पकड़ा जाता है तो उसके लिए इलेक्शन कमीशन ने एक SOP बनाई हुई है। उसके हिसाब से जहां जिससे पैसा पकड़ा गया उनको नोटिस दिया जाएगा और उनसे इस पैसे की उपलब्धता के बारे में प्रश्न विचारा जाएगा। अगर वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर पाएंगे तो उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
सर, एक आखिरी सवाल ये, कितना
Well, Shrishti, mega cash haul in Nashik, nearly 2 crore rupees being seized. What more information can you add? Exactly who was behind this recovery that has now been made on part of the investigative authorities?
Well, of course, 1.98 crores of cash has been found in a hotel in Nashik. This is very serious when it comes to election. We all know that there is a distribution of cash to the voters, and to constrain that, there is a checking by Election Commission and other authorities as well. But yes, of course, this is a very serious matter which has come to fore, that 1.98 crores, almost 2 crores of cash was seized from a hotel in Nashik. However, now police and other authorities are investigating the matter, that from where this cash was brought in and for what purpose this was brought in, that remains to be investigated. But of course, a big cash haul has been found at a hotel in Nashik.